Tens of thousands of people read about quantum AI every day, making it the top trending topic in the UK and Australia. A detailed examination of the evaluations reveals that Bitcoin trading may be making the majority of its users tremendously wealthy. Please subscribe to the Knowledge Channel if you would like to get more cryptocurrency news. However, what is it? How does it operate, and is it legitimate? A potent web-based computer application for automated CFD trading is called Quantum AI. The application uses artificial intelligence, AI, to analyze and draw conclusions from a variety of markets. In this video, you will discover the function of Quantum AI trading methods and algorithms. You can also check the recommendation below to access the Quantum AI official website and learn more through this platform. You can trade CFDs on currencies, stocks, market indexes, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. However, Bitcoin trading is its most well-known use. According to the Quantum AI website, you must first deposit the required $250 into the system in order to employ the robot. The following payment options can be used to do this. Bank transfer, credit card, debit card, and cryptocurrency users have given Quantum AI incredible feedback, with the majority of them claiming to make thousands of dollars per day. According to reports, in 2023, this robot provides a simple, stress-free method of earning money online. But is Quantum AI a real thing? To assist you in making a decision, we did a thorough investigation of this platform and wrote a full and objective assessment. Quantum AI, what is it? By trading currencies, stocks, commodities, market indexes, and cryptocurrencies, Quantum AI enables you to make money online. The trading system is most recognized for cryptocurrency trading, though. It is one of the most cutting-edge auto trading platforms available. Artificial intelligence, AI, is used by Quantum AI to achieve extremely accurate trading. According to reports, this network utilizes the blockchain to guarantee user security. To guarantee an efficient dispute resolution procedure, it makes use of the blockchain subset of smart contracts, SC. Over 15 licensed brokers in the UK and Australia are partners with Quantum AI. There is widespread trust in these brokers. Additionally, we can attest that the Quantum AI website is secure and encrypted. Most nations, including the UK, have data privacy legislation that this trading system complies with. Given that it automates the entire trading process, Quantum AI is simple for everyone to use. This trading strategy has been regarded as the most successful way to trade Bitcoin in 2023. Bitcoin trading features of Quantum AI. Quantum AI claims to use CFDs to trade Bitcoin volatility. The bot trades up to 60 Bitcoin pairs made up of fiat money and cryptocurrencies with high volatility. You can trade well-liked pairs like BTC, USD, BTC, BCH, BTC, GBP, BTC, ETH. Quantum AI. According to reports, Bitcoin traders have profited significantly from the current BTC, USD rise. This program states that it uses advanced trading strategies to get information from huge data. One of these is short selling in order to profit from falling prices. Performance of Quantum AI is dependent on volatility rather than price growth. This implies that even when prices are down, you can still turn a profit. This does not, however, make trading cryptocurrencies risk-free. Spend your money wisely.